Well, timing belt's on, and she runs. And I think she looks pretty good. Let's see what we can see here. Purrs like a kitten. Got a little bit of the little blue on there for aesthetics. Sounds good. Now, Bailey's with me, and we are getting ready to head over and put it up on the lift. And then we are going to put my Old Man EMU, I can say it right, suspension kit on it, which is 2.5 to 3 inches, and I can make it look almost as nice as Bailey's, I'll say. His paint job is awesome. All right, next time you see us, my truck will be in the air. These are the springs. That was Bailey's. We found out it wasn't going to work. It was the same as the other one. There's my old crappy one. My new BRP exhaust. And then up underneath here, that's where it's looking nice because I spent a lot of time rebuilding all that. And the rockers. And I still got one hole. And the gas tank, and we did these rockers. Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Taking a pin out.
What are you doing, man?
Struggling.
Struggling with what? With my brand new CV shaft? And the little clip that you got to get in there?
Mine that I'm giving to you.
Oh, that's right.
Hammer.
Hammer. You can overcome the clip, it'll pop right in. Oh, did you get it? I'm sure there's a trick. I wish we knew it. I think you got it. That's the trick. Yeah. Nice, dude. There we go. Now I don't have all that leaky stuff because I got a brand new boot on there. Thanks, Bailey. You're the man. Are you sweating?
No.
Yes, you are.
So all stretched out.
Right there. Old Man EMU. Got some dirty freaking hands. There we go, baby. The one thing that I'm going to complain about a little bit is driver's side, you have to add this washer. And you can maybe see it on that side. It's got a little nick on it where I think it's a pipe. And on the inside, it was the little surface was on there. So you want to make sure you file that off. Or you're going to get a nice line down your shock. You only have to do this on the driver's side. So I will fix that up a little bit. What are you doing?
Is there any left?
Oh, dude.
Oh, there we go.
There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Which ones are these?
These hook up the ball joint to the hub.
These are the bottoms of the hub. And we were told that you better be using red on that sucker so it doesn't come apart on you. It's steel, so you can use the red. What's the chances that Bailey's gonna get hit by himself?
I don't know, man.
I don't know, man. That's what I'm thinking.
Maybe.
What? Are you kidding?
No. Quit watching.
Headed up to the shop. Yeah. We gave up last night. It was about, what, 9:30, and we were like, there was a lot to do. Plus I needed some bolts because we broke them.
We needed food.
And we needed food. We hadn't eaten since lunch, so. Got new bolts from Ace, and we're headed back to get this thing put together. Yeehaw. Well, made up a new paint, or brake bracket locating mount. Getting some paint on the shock spring mounts. We got music. Uh-oh. Had all this stuff painted. Got the new shocky shocks going on. Oh yeah.
Here's a...
Nice. Spring going in? What?
What?
So if I lay on this,
I don't know, maybe. Might not be so easy on us on this side.
yeah. Got it?
What? What?
That was nice.
Press them.
Oh, that saved a ton of time. There we go. Both springs in. Yay. Now we gotta get the shocks in. Finish those. Here, get these.
Nope.
Not gonna happen. We're gonna need a jack, right? Oh. That's slick.
Is this out of line?
Yeah. Is it lined up up there? It's lined up in the hole, right?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
It's lined up here.
Yeah, about an inch.
You take it off of the.
Right. I don't think you're gonna lift the whole car with that little bit. Close. More. Oh. Get her. I think the other side is going to be easier for some reason. Yeah, you're definitely not taking it off. Oops. All right. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, it's definitely higher. All right. Let's see how it compares to yours. I'm gonna measure the centers to the fender and see where we get. I'm excited. Need to get them tires on there. Same ones Bailey's got. I don't know if I'll do white walls out. I kind of like the white letters out, but sweet. Thanks, Bailey.
Yeah.
Thanks for helping, man.
It's gotta fill it with oil.
Yeah. So timing belt, oil, serpentine belt, all of the bearings, front, new drive shaft, or CV joint on the passenger side because it was leaking. The old Old Man EMU, 2.5 to 3 inch lift on the back and the front. The new springs, painted all up underneath there, cleaned it all up. What else did I do today? That was about it. It's pretty awesome, dude.
A lot.
Now I hope she sets a little bit more. I hope she doesn't set as crooked as she did before. We'll see. Well, I've been out driving it, and it is awesome. The motor's responsive, the shifting's responsive, downshifts like it should with the new solenoid that I had to put in. Actually, that I got from Fox Rock Auto. It was a solenoid number 1, something like that. It was 45 bucks, but it has the wrong. It had the wrong wire harness connection, so I ended up using a connector to get to it because the one from the dealership, which I had them get for me, was $280 for that little stupid thing, for a dumb solenoid. Unbelievable. The shocks on this are great. It handles so much better now that the body is connected to the frame with my new body mounts, which is great. It rides pretty stiff, but that's as expected. I think once I get my bigger tires on, that it'll smooth out the ride a little bit. Bailey's ride is really nice, so I'm really happy about that. But I still got the thing all apart. I got this, I was just trying to get some miles on it. I bought this headlamp restore kit. That's backwards maybe for you. But this thing is great. I recommend this one over any of the other ones that I've seen. It has an actual ceramic coating in it. I don't know if the other ones do, and they don't last, but I put this on an old MR2 and it was super foggy, and they look brand new, and it's been like that for over a year and a half. So I'm going to use this. And then I bought some paint. I'm going to try this Magneto paint, and I'm going to try to do the insides of the lamps as well, so I'm going to take them apart. There's a lot of videos out there on that. Try to give it some bling. And then I got new headlamps too. These guys off of just Amazon. I don't know if they'll be any good or not. I haven't even tried them yet. But still got to get the radio back together, and all this stuff's apart. And I got to do my rear swing arm. But so far, the engine work, the transmission work, and the lift kit have all been great. And this is the first time I've been able to enjoy it. And I can't wait, because I got about a month to go to get to Cruise Moab in this bad boy. So yeah, wish us luck. Over and out.